Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, high in the sunny sky, lived a friendly cloud named Nimbus. Nimbus was a big, soft cloud, as white as cotton candy. One day, while gently floating along, Nimbus drifted right over a giant candy factory. The factory had tall, swirly chimneys, puffing out sweet smells of strawberry, blueberry, lemon, and orange. Inside the factory, tiny machines were making colorful little blocks that looked just like Lego bricks. But these weren't ordinary bricks. These were sweet and edible, each one bursting with a yummy fruit flavor. Suddenly, a big gust of wind tickled Nimbus, and he sneezed a giant, cloudy sneeze right over the candy factory. When Nimbus's sneeze cleared, something amazing started to happen. Instead of regular raindrops, tiny, colorful Lego-style bricks began to fall from Nimbus. Red strawberry bricks, blue blueberry bricks, yellow lemon bricks, and orange bricks rained down gently onto the town below. Down in the town, a little girl named Lily and her playful puppy, Gus, were outside. Lily had bright pink shoes and a big smile. Gus had floppy ears and a wagging tail. They looked up in surprise as the colorful bricks started falling. "Wow!" Lily giggled, catching a red brick in her hand. "It smells like strawberries." Gus sniffed a blue brick and gave a happy bark. Soon all the children in town came outside to play with the edible bricks. They built colorful towers, silly animals, and even a giant spaceship. Lily built a little house for Gus using the blue blueberry bricks. Gus wagged his tail happily and pretended to guard it. As the sun began to set, the edible brick rain stopped. The children had built a whole town made of yummy blocks. They started to nibble on their creations, sharing the different flavors with each other. Lily shared a lemon brick with her friend Tom, and Tom shared an orange brick with Lily. Up in the sky, Nimbus smiled. He was happy that his little sneeze had brought so much joy and tasty fun to the children. He learned that even a small cloud can do big, sweet things, and the children learned that sharing their treats made playing together even more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.